Hello everyone, this is Braxton Fritcha, and today we'll be going over my ePortfolio and my teacher's website that I created. First off, we'll be going over my ePortfolio, and when you type in the site's address, this is the home page that you'll come to. It has a giant welcome sign, an aesthetically pleasing background. It has a bar that lets you go to each of the pages, and this is the home page. The home page gives a brief description of who I am and why, and how to contact me and in the classroom and whatnot. Picture of me, and this is like a little table of contents of what you will see in the website on the portfolio, and they take quick links to get to each one. Down here is the Creative Commons license and contact information, as well as the Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube of myself. I created this using Wix, and let's go to the next page. This one is the About Me page. The About Me page goes over who I am, why I want to be a teacher, and how I will use technology in the classroom. Again, contact information in Creative Commons down here. This is a brief gallery of a couple of pictures of myself and my family. Next page is the gallery, and the gallery shows works that I did over the semester, and I have some of them all separated into different groups. The first one is the lesson plans. So I have the inquiry-based lesson plan and the digital citizenship lesson plan up here. There are short descriptions of each one, of what the thing is and how the lesson plan worked itself into the inquiry-based and digital citizenship aspect of it. If you click on the title of each one, it'll take you to a PDF of each of the lesson plans, and it'll go over it in full detail there. And this will happen for every single piece that I put in the gallery. Next one is the video. This is one of the videos I created, my instructional video about animal classification that I used Powtoons to create, my bad. To get to the video, you can either click on the link, and it'll take you to a different, it took you to YouTube to go to the site to look at the video, or you can just click it here and it will play in this small bubble here. The next one I did is the Hour of Coding. This is the certificate I got for it. Click on here and it goes to the bigger picture of this, and click on this and it will go to code.org, which I did my Hour of Coding on. My next one is my last one here is the concept map that I use inspiration to create about the different levels of the animal kingdom. And down here is a website link to go to inspiration. Scroll back up, we go to the ISTE-T standards. It goes over each of the standards and gives gives an example and a brief description of each one and how it relates to each topic. So for the first one, it's facilitate and inspire student learning and creativity. My examples would be the inquiry-based project and the instructional video. The next one is design and develop digital age learning experiences and assessments. For my examples is the concept map and the inquiry-based project. Number 3 is the model digital age work and learning. My examples for this one is the instructional video again, and the 4 E's evaluation video I did. And the fourth one is promote and model digital citizenship and responsibility. These examples include digital citizenship project and the Creative Commons license, and engage in professional growth and leadership. My examples of this are Hour of Coding and this ePortfolio that I created. For each of these, you just click on the title of each example, such as the Hour of Coding. It'll take you to the website of the Hour of Coding. Or the Digital Citizenship Project, it'll just take you straight to the lesson plan of it. If you scroll back up here, we go to the final page, which is Professional Development. And Professional Development shows my Twitter Sortify that I did. I chose a hashtag, which for mine would be EdTechChat. And Sortify used Twitter to look up all the hashtags of each of these. So here's the EdTechChat. And each of these goes over technology in the classroom and gives some tips and tricks or good educational uses, and gives just kind of examples and stuff of how you would use different technology in your classroom as a new teacher and whatnot. And that is it on this page. So this is it for the ePortfolio. So we're now going to go over to my teacher's website. My teacher's website is here, and it's when you type in the site URL, it takes you to this page, my welcome page. It gives you a brief description of what this is and what this website is used for, and it is another table of contents of what you will see on this website, such as About Me and Calendar, and where to find it under, and a brief description of what you will find on each page. Again, you'll find it over here as well, which is in the same order as right here. So let's go over to the About Me. The About Me page is another just About Me page with a picture of myself, of who I am, how I use technology in the classroom, and why I wanted to become a teacher. And quick note, each page has a Creative Commons license here, as well as my contact information, which is my email down here. The next page is the calendar. Calendar is just used for seeing what is to come in the year, what's due, or what's past. So I have the video project, which is due on the 10th of December, which is today. We have winter break, we have Christmas Day, math final, and the start of the new semester, which is on the 8th. We're going to go to the next one, which is the For Students section. And this is just class material. So if students were to miss something on a day or something like that, all the information of what they missed or we did in class will be on this page. So for example, this is a inspiration concept map that we did in class with a short description of what it is, and a evaluation, the 4E's evaluation page, which is here, that a video I did, and my Mathathon board game, which with a short description of what we did there and how we did it in class. Next one is the newsletter. The newsletter is here to use for mostly parents, so they know what who I am, a little pamphlet of how I work in class, some of the rules, and basically states that, hey, we're going to have a great year. I can't wait to be in the room with your kids, and I hope to give them the best education they can have. And there's also a short description of what this is down here. The next one just takes you to the school website. For now, it is Indiana University, which is where I'm going to for my college and my education degree. Next one is for the teachers section. Now, the fourth teacher section, this first one has tech resources. These are different resources that I can use in the classroom as an example or as a lesson or activity or something like that. So we have, first off, a review of the online resource animal classification. This goes over an animation that I did for animal classification. Gives a short description of it. Here we have the Storify Twitter hashtag, and it shows this all again. And it gives a description of what this is and the personal learning network and how it is used. So the next one is the instructional project. This one gives you a YouTube video of my animal classification instructional project that I did. I created using Powtoons. And there's another short description of it here, of what it is, the purpose of it, and who my target audience is, and how I plan for them to learn about it. My next one is my inquiry-based project. This is one of the two big lesson plans I did for the semester. The entire thing is embedded into the website here, so anyone can see anything about it. And here's a short description of what this is and how I plan on using it in the classroom and how it relates to the inquiry based of the project, basically. The next one and the final one on my website is the Digital Citizenship Project. Again, it has the entire digital citizen lesson plan embedded into the thing, as well as links to different outside resources that you can click on, and it goes to a different tab to open it up. And it goes through the entire thing again. And when you scroll down there, it goes to the description once more. And it goes over what this lesson plan is and how it involves digital citizenship along with the math lesson that I embedded in it. Alright, these are both of my websites. I hope you enjoy.